okay, meron na tayong magandang legacy, meron magandang personality, si Ninoy pati si Cory. But sino ang magdadala nito? Who will embody these principles to fighting graft and corruption and poverty in 2010? No? Wala pa kaming tao na naisip eh. Because at that time, hindi pa rin mag-ring ng bell sa amin si Mar. Kasi si Mar naman tumatakbo noon. No? Hindi mag-ring na siya ang magdadala. But suddenly, God's will, biglang nagbago ang takbo sa Manila. Binabalita na Noynoy is being considered by the Liberal Party and he is being encouraged by the party mates na tatakbo. No? And of course, it depends sa kang Mar Rojas kung papayag siya. Anyway, everything is history. Yun na nga, ang aming movement, Jem, nagbago. From looking for somebody kung sino mag-embody nito, sino ang magdala ng ng laban na ito sa current situation, gumawa naman kami ng panibagong press conference encouraging Noynoy Aquino to accept the challenge. Nagkaroon kasi ng puwang. Nagkaroon ng opportunity na, uy, tama nga no, Noynoy could be a good person to carry on the fight of his parents to the present situation, fighting against corruption and poverty. And of course, everything is history. Sinabi na nga ni Chito Gascon sa first episode ng election 2010 na yun na nga pala si Mar Rojas convinced himself na it is Noynoy. No need for Noynoy to convince him. Mismo binolunteer, yung first 4 days pala sila nag-meeting, Jem. 4 days sila nag-meeting ni Mar pati ni Noynoy. And on the first day, first meeting daw sa bahay ni Butch Abad, ang unang statement daw ni Mar, Noy, ikaw na. So, gulat daw si Noy. Wala pa nga yung usapan, sinabi niya, Noy, ikaw na. So, well, everything is, hopefully, it's God's will. So, yung 4 days nila, pinag-usapan nila yung platform, yung organization, campaign, organization, everything. Wala na yung horse trading na yung the usual thing kasi sa negotiations, mga gala, ang permanent tigod may tabo, pag na yung kandidato interesado, magsabot sila, ilang sabutan, pila may ako, unsay imo, pilay imo. No? Yan ang pinag-usapan dyan eh. Horse trading. So, material things ang pinag-usapan dyan. But this time, kang Mar Rojas and Noynoy, wala. It's open, it's a voluntary will ni Mar to offer it to Noynoy. And that's one big asset ni Mar Rojas. No?
Nag-give way talaga
Nag-give way siya. Not for himself, not for Noynoy, but for the country. So yun na nga, and September 8, yung 40th day ni death anniversary ni Cory, nagkuhan kami dito, yung Mindanao for Noynoy movement, nag-motorcade. And yun din yung araw ng pag-declare ni Noynoy to run. And tanong naman ng media sa amin, kasi sa MTS na ulit kami, nag-press con kami doon, Mindanao for Noynoy movement, ngayon tatakbo na si Noynoy. Ano pa yung inyong movement? Kasi you're crying for Noynoy to run. Ngayon tatakbo na siya. Sabi namin, of course.
What's next?